sure if you can hear me, but it's just me. I'm doing a bench cleaning video. So if you don't like it, leave the channel or stay and watch. If you see how much shit's on my bench, you'll notice. I'll edit it to make it fast. This is what's on my bench. I got too much shit on here. So this right here, I brought with me with my phone. Why? Because it was raining cats and dogs out there. So I'm gonna collect all the gloves off of here, because there seems to be a shit ton of gloves here. Some gloves. Thanks to what is it? Another channel. I won these gloves. Sorry, I forgot what name of your channel is, but I won them. There's a no good glove. No glove, no glove. Where's my little garbage can? I gotta find my garbage can. Hold on. Alrighty. We have a trash can. What is this? Banco. That's no good. Central machinery. That's no good. I don't need. This can go somewhere else. Rubber gloves, rubber gloves. What's this? This is Honda parts. Yeah, Honda parts. That's just a rag. That's a rag. These are. Where's the other glove? These are Harbor Freight gloves. Where's the other one? Okay. These plastic gloves you gotta watch, because if you leave them somewhere too long, they stick together. Wire brushes. Ouches. Ouchie, ouchie, ouchie. Alrighty. It's already getting cleaner. See that? Rubber gloves. Let's put these away. This is Honda parts. Honda. Lots of Honda parts. This is garbage. This was a test video thing. What else? This stuff works good. Goody goody two shoes. What is this? Multi-purpose grease. Let's put these over there. There is literally a shit ton of Honda parts in here. This is scraper blades. This I gotta put somewhere. I don't know where to put this right now. Honda parts. This is a Honda sticker. Let's put this over here in the Honda bag. Honda world. A genuine 75th anniversary vice grip thing. This is a Honda switch for the bike. I talked to a locksmith, and they said they are going to be able to make me a new key for my Honda. What do you call it? The helmet lock on Honda. I don't know if anybody's watching this knows anything about Hondas. You'll know that the 86 Hondas have a helmet lock on it, and that's what is this? Oh, I bought a blinker set thing. I'll try to hook up. Flashers on my Honda. Let's put this away. This has to go somewhere. Somewhere over there. Oh, alrighty. It's getting clean already. Handlebars. Vroom, vroom. I can't wait. Somebody told me I should buy a set of Honda Foreman 450 handlebars. They're about this much hard. They're about this much higher, and I think they might be right. Oh yeah, this one's bent. Figures. I got screwed again. Look. I don't know if you can see this, but I don't know if this side's bent or this side. I'm going to have to do something about that. They're nice, too. They're nice, and they're bent. Jesus. Oh, well. Maybe I'll find an unbent set eventually. Bags. There's plastic bags everywhere. Plastic bags. There's a piece of wood here. What is this? Rack bolts. That's rack bolts. This is a paint can lid. Rubber gloves. There's my torch. What else? This has to go on the shelf over there. I don't know if there's room on my shelf back there. Hello, folks. It's me again. There's brass. There's plastic things. Brass rods. Light bulbs. Garbage. These are latches I need for my Sandblaster, which I was in a dragon here. This is 14. Which one is this? Oh, a 10 millimeter. Holy crap. Which one is that one? This one is a 14 again. Alright, put that in there. I'll just put this on the side. This goes. This one's fused together. That one's not good. This goes back over there. Let's turn this way here. It's getting there. I don't know where the hell I got this from. These are useful in the shop. Plackers, you got eating stuff and you get stuff stuck in your teeth. Well, guess what? You'll get rid of the plaque. Plaque attack. That's that in the junk pile. Screwdrivers. I should put these in the drawer because I use these a lot. Down here. Those are my JIS screwdrivers. Japanese Industrial Standard. I really need to remember to get a bag for these because you end up getting all kinds of nasty shit. I gotta bring this home and clean these. The reason why I got a bag for them is because when you keep your masks in a bag, they don't get covered in dust and all kinds of nasty toxic crap. So yeah, this is no good. Completely useless. They should like solder these in there so they don't fly out. A lot of times they just fly out like crazy. Vaden vice grip. Where's all my other vice grips? One brush. It's funny how I bought a new brush because I lost this one and then I find this one after. Yeah. Makes sense to me. There's my air tool. Put that back. That goes into. There's a drill bit in here. Come on. There we go. Take the drill bit out. That in the drawer. That in the drawer over there. That in the drawer over there. This I don't even think works. That can go over there. That goes in the bottom drawer. This goes, I have no idea where. This can go in the drawer over there. This goes back in the drawer over there. Let's put it all back. Alrighty, folks. I don't know where the hell this goes. Like this. Put that in there like so. And this is for. This goes for something. Where is it? Oh, look, more air tools. Screwdrivers and screwdrivers. These two need to go to my house. This can go in the drawer over there. Vintage. That's for that. That's that. This is baby wipes. Screwdrivers, screwdrivers, screwdrivers. One baby screwdriver can go in here. Mini screwdriver. These things can go down here. Lots of junk. Oh, look at the mini wrench. The lights are flickering. What does that mean? That means the power's gonna go out. What's this? Lug nuts on the big red thingamabobbers. Sure, you got lots of Honda parts. Lots and lots of Honda parts. This is a light that needs batteries. It's supposed to stick. There we go. Consumables. These I'll put back here so when I go on the other side, I can just pick that back up. Wipes. What is this? Oh, this is for the sandblaster. I gotta leave that there. Oh, there's another screwdriver. I like these little tiny screwdrivers. They're awesome. So anyway, that's probably about as much as I'm going to clean up for today. Taking apart Hondas, you need these. Let's put this away. This can go on here. This is a camera mount I use. I did a, see, what is this? my other knife broke. I had a little tiny Gerber knife like this. Oh, this is a Smith and Wesson ripoff, but I had one like this that's a little mini one about this big, and I broke it. I thought I lost it three-wheeling, so I bought this bigger one. I realized, you know what? The bigger one is a lot nicer. It's actually, you can hold it. But my little nubs there, these little tiny knives are just too small. Like I don't really like these little holes, but it's a basic knife, and eventually I'll have broken the tip off and destroyed it. So, with all that said, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you've been with my channel for a while, you'll know that early on I did quite a few cleaning videos. So it's just a thing I enjoyed doing, and spend some time chatting with you folks, and hopefully people will leave me some comments and chat back. Waste a few minutes, spend your time. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and keep on trucking.